All right, we are looking at question number 30 of January 2017. The question is, Sandy programmed a website's checkout process with an equation to calculate the amount customers will be charged when they download songs. The website offers a discount. If one song is bought at the full price of $1.29, then each additional song costs 99 cents. First, we need to write an equation that represents the cost C after or when S songs are downloaded. And then we got to check to see, Sandy figured it would cost this much for 52 songs, and we got to make sure, is that the correct amount or not? So let's get to it. This one's a little bit tricky, and I'm going to have to talk about the later part early on to be able to kind of reason why one thing that I'm doing, and you'll see what's going on then. So I'm going to break it up into two parts because there's the way that most students are going to do it and kind of the trick that they expect you to fall into, and then there's going to be the right way. So I'll show them both at once, and we'll talk about why. And the mistake that most people fall into is going to be what's going to get you this $52, and we'll talk about that more later. So she bought one song. If you bought one song, it's $1.29. So just one time is $1.29, so I'm going to have $1.29. Then each additional song is 99 cents. So people are just going to say, oh, well, then it's going to be plus 99 cents per song. Again, this is going to be the mistake side. This looks really good. Last thing we're going to say, the equation, C is the cost of the songs, and S is the number of songs that are downloaded. So I should really say C is equal to all of this. And maybe I even want to say C of S if I want to get real fancy. This feels right, but is wrong for one tiny mistake. If I do this, the first song is $1.29, but then I have S as the number of songs, and I'm multiplying that times 99 cents. The issue with that is that means I'm counting the first song over here for $1.29, and then here again when I multiply it times the 99 cents. The right thing to do, which is really hard to figure out, this is a pretty mean question, right thing on the right side over here, is you're going to say, all right, the cost based on the number of songs I bought is equal to $1.29 for the first song plus 99 cents for every song after that, but I have to do the number of songs minus 1 to count for the fact that I'm already paying $1.29 for that first song. This is the right way to answer the question. This is the mistake they expect you to make. If you fell into this trap over here, the most you can hope for is 1 point on this 2-point question. If you got this, nice job. You can still get 2 points. Let's keep going over here. So I'll continue on the mistake side over here. All right, so she figured it would cost $52.77 for 52 songs. Is this correct? Is this the correct amount? And you have to explain why, justify your answer. Well, I'll say, all right, C of 52, I'm plugging 52 in for S, would equal $1.29 plus 99 cents, and I input 52 songs, so times 52. If we do this work on our calculator real quick, let me make a new document. You can see I was actually just trying that out before. If I plug in $1.29 plus 0.99 cents times 52, I get $52.77. 52, and then it is $52.77. And if you made the mistake at the start and you found this, you're going to say, yeah, Sandy's right? She got $52.77. You're going to say she is correct when I plug in 52 songs, I get $52, 52, let's make that dollar sign a little better, and 77 cents. Now, if you made this mistake and you continued along with the problem and did the rest of it right, you still get credit for doing this because they can't take double points away. The mistake was made up here. Everything you did here was correct. based on your faulty function that you just described earlier. So you would still get plus 1 point for this, which is better than nothing, right? Over here, though, we know, oh no, we made a mistake. I was supposed to take 1 away from the 99-cent ones because I already paid for the first song over here. If I plug it into that real correct formula, C of 52 equals $1.29 plus 99 cents times the number of songs minus 1, because I already paid for that first one. And then I plug it in as, well, instead of S, I'll plug it in as $1.29 plus 99 cents, 52 minus 1. Well, I can plug this whole thing into my calculator and see a value that I come up with. So let's do it. $1.29 plus 99 cents times 52 minus 1, or I could have just done 51 in those parentheses. If I hit enter here, I find that it actually should be costing the users $51.78. So the cost of 52 songs should really be $51.78. So she is wrong because when I plug in 52 songs, the price is $51.78. Now we have the right function definition and plugging it in and explaining why, why Sandy is wrong. So that is this question. If you got it totally right, that's 2 points. If you got it partially right, that's 1 point. And even if you gave something that's pretty off over here, if you still plugged in and found that she was right or wrong down here, you can still get a point, even if you had something totally off in the top here. Hopefully that helps.